this to this. Hey, today I was on highway and this little tiny piece comes out of nowhere and hit my windshield and left a crack. So I will show you how to fix this crack. And these happen pretty often. Here's a close look. When you look at the actual surface of the impact, it's not that deep. It's about 5 millimeters. But if you look at the crack inside of the windshield, it's almost an inch. And that bothers when you're driving. This is the kit that I'm gonna use for repair. And there's also a type of syringe one, and I think the one that I'm using is at the most in the market. So you can get those from Walmart, Advanced Auto, or AutoZone. Most popular retail stores, basically. First, clean out the surface. Nice and clean. And then look for that chip through that screw and set in the middle and put down suckers. Then double check if you're placed right in the center. And if not, you can relocate it. I meant to give a little idea how this works earlier. And how it works is that there's a crack inside the windshield and we basically gonna fill up with a solution and cure it and put things back together. Scroll it down till that touches the surface. And I just thought of this as one of the opponents in Star Wars. Pew pew! Pew pew! Pew pew pew! And make sure you aim it right. Then drop the solution into the hole. DJ, drop the beat. You won't need too much, maybe 3 to 5 drops max. Push air bubble with that kit that comes with a tool. By doing this, it will push solution into the crack even deeper. Screw it in and now we'll suck the air out and push in the solution and add more solution as needed and repeat the process as needed. And be patient with that process. It will take some bit of time. Yeah, it got slightly better. Try to fill it up. I'm just gonna keep and repeat. So I pumped it about 30 times and it seems it's almost cleared. So keep going until the job is done. The thing is filled. Alright. When the crack is filled up, remove the tool and place a film that comes with a kit. Or you can put a sellotape just like how I did and put a car in the sun ray or UV lamp. Sun isn't really strong at the time that I finished it, so I decided to open it tomorrow. So day after, the result of the day. Seems like it's alright to me. What do you think? Scrub time! Scratch came off, but it's not as clear, so I might have to do a couple of more times.
The curing process.
I was expecting this project to be successful, but I think the solution had been open so long that it wouldn't work out this time. But the processing part is the same. So I hope you enjoyed my video and this will work out for you. And stay safe, and I'll see you next time.